Mommy, I really do not feel good tonight.
Oh, sweetheart. Let me feel your head. Oh no, sweetheart. You are burning up badly.
My head hurts a lot, Mommy.
I know, sweetie. I am right here with you. Hold still for me, sweetheart. Just a little. 39.6. That is a very high fever. Ben, wake up now. Emma is very sick. Her fever is 39.6 right now.
We need to take her to the hospital now.
I am really scared right now, Ben. I will get her dressed very quickly.
It's gonna be okay, Emma.
What is happening in here tonight?
It's all right, sweetheart. We're just looking after Emma.
Emma is not feeling well, sweetheart.
Is she okay, Mum?
We are taking her to the hospital now.
Can you be my brave boy tonight? I will try my best, Mommy.
The doctor will help you feel better soon.
Hello, I need a taxi immediately, please.
We need to go to the hospital now.
The address is 22 Maple Street. This is an emergency for our daughter.
Rest, my love. We are almost there. Dr. Maya is going to take good care of you.
Yes. The doctors there are very good.
Oh, okay.
The hospital is very close from here. Just 2 more minutes and we arrive. My wife works there. They are good people.
Keep the change. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Good luck with your daughter.
Let us go quickly. Stay close to me. Excuse me. My daughter has a very high fever. She needs a doctor right away, please.
Please wait over there. A doctor will be with you shortly.
What is her full name, please?
Her name is Emma Parker. She is 8 years old now. Please fill in her name, date of birth, and phone number. Then take a seat. A nurse will call you soon.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you for helping us tonight, Ben.
Done. I filled everything in already.
Just a little longer, sweetheart. Stay with me. I'm sleepy. Dad, there is a big orange fish.
Yes, that one is very big. I see it too. It looks very cool.
Emma Parker, please come with me now. Yes, that is us. We are coming. Right this way, please follow me. Is it far? She looks so pale. Her temperature is still 39.4 right now. Dr. Maya will be with you in just a moment.
Mommy, is that gonna hurt me?
No, sweetheart. It won't hurt, I promise. No, baby. It will only squeeze your arm. It feels like a little hug, that is all. You are doing so well, sweetheart. Dr. Maya is coming right now, Emma. Hello there. You must be Emma tonight.
Yes. Hi.
My name is Dr. Maya, sweetheart. You came to the right place tonight. When did the fever start exactly? Last night. By 6 this morning, it was 39.6. Take a big, slow breath in for me.
Breathe slowly.
Okay, that's better. Thank you. Good girl. And now breathe back out. Open your mouth wide and say, ah. Her throat is red and inflamed right now. You are one of the bravest patients I have seen all week. Do you really think that? Yes, absolutely. Really? You should be proud of yourself. Emma has a throat infection right now.
Bacteria caused it, along with the fever and headache.
Thank goodness. I was so frightened. The good news is this is completely treatable. I am giving her amoxicillin for this infection. 1 tablet in the morning and 1 at night.
Always after a meal, for 7 days.
1 tablet twice a day after food for 7 days.
Perfect. You understood the instructions correctly. Do not stop early, even if she feels better. She must drink water every single hour. And she needs 2 full days of rest at home. We will make sure of that completely.
What can I help you with today? Our daughter has a throat infection. Dr. Maya gave us this prescription. Of course. I will get this ready right away. This is the amoxicillin for Emma. 1 tablet in the morning, 1 at night, always after food. Okay.
Thank you very much for explaining.
There we go. All tucked in now.
My bed feels amazing right now.
This glass stays here, and you drink from it all day.
Chicken soup. Best thing in the world when you are sick.
37.6. Her fever is going down now.
Really? Is it getting better already?
Yes, sweetheart. You're doing so much better. We're all here for you.
I feel so much better now.